Understand an important concept, that is a ferrule effect. What is a ferrule? Ferrule is a 360-degree circumferential band of the sound tooth structure which is present 1.5 to 2 mm of the height from the finish line of the crown preparation, that is being completely encircled by the crown. Like in this figure we can see that this is a finish line. The ferrule is this, the height 1.5 to 2 mm from the finish line, having a thickness of approximately at least 1 mm. Width needs to be there. Over this the core will be placed and which will be encircled by the crown completely. Let's understand it by the example. Imagine ferrule to be a rubber band which is holding a bunch of pencils together. Now if we remove the rubber band, what will happen? This bunch of pencils which were holded by the rubber band, they will displace or they will split or separate. Likewise, the ferrule is like a rubber band which holds the core and the crown post complex together. And once, if there will be no ferrule present, what will happen? There will be fracture, or there will be the fracture of the crown or the fracture of the root or the tooth structure will be seen. So that's why the ferrule is important. Now, the ideal dimensions for the ferrule is the width, as I've told, the width needs to be at least 1 mm or above. It will be more than 1 mm, obviously it will have a better fracture resistance. Height needs to be 1.5 to mm from the finish line. Circumference 360-degree continuous coronal sound tooth structure needs to be present. Why the ferrule is important? As I've mentioned that if there will be a ferrule present, there will be more sound tooth structure present, which will increase the fracture resistance because the forces or the occlusal forces which are being acted on the tooth will be distributed evenly, thus preventing the stress concentration and increasing the fracture resistance. It retains the restoration, prevents the vertical root fracture, same concept because the forces will be evenly distributed, thus preventing the fracture. Protects the core post complex, as this portion is the post core complex or junction is the junction where majority of the fracture occurs. So having a ferrule will prevent the fracture of the post core complex and it resists the functional forces which are being acted on the tooth surface, thus preventing the vertical root fracture. Here I have mentioned that the ferrule is more important than the post. Why? Because ferrule will help in increasing the fracture resistance, whereas the post helps in retaining the core and it will not strengthen the tooth structure.